We are back. Today we are going to make almond cookies.
They're very healthy and they're yummy too. Let's see what we need.
We need sugar, malai, almond flakes, almond flour and wheat flour. So let's get started. Dada, can you help me?
Sure, I'll help.
So first we are going to add the malai. Now we are going to add the sugar. Now we are going to stir it. We have to stir it till it gets dissolved. Dada, could you do it a little faster for me?
Yes, I'll do it.
The sugar is nearly dissolved. So now let's add the flour. Dada, please can you add the flour?
Yes. So this is the almond flour we're going to add first. Now we are going to add the wheat flour. Now we can see that we have mixed it properly. So now we're going to take spoonsful of it and put it on the baking tray. We have put a baking paper on the baking tray so the cookie doesn't stick.
So we are going to use 2 spoons to put the batter on the baking tray. So let's get to it.
Remember, keep some distance between the cookies.
The cookies are ready to bake. I can't wait to keep them in the oven.
But first, we have to put the flakes so that they look pretty. We have already preheated our oven at 200 degrees. So now we're going to bake the cookies for 12 to 14 minutes.
See how yummy the cookies are looking. Now you can see the cookies are baked. I can't wait to try them.
We have let them stay on this hot rack for 10 minutes. And now we're going to place them on the wire rack. We let them cool completely and they'll become firm.
I can't wait to eat them. They look so yummy, don't they,